be him right there then. Let's go visit.
Nah, that ain't Joey. That's a car, dude.
It's a car. We're going to go down the step backwards?
I don't know. Is that where this is taking me?
I think so. Yeah.
I don't think I know where the fuck
Where the fuck are we?
I don't know, dude. I'm relying on you, brother.
You're going to the step up, dude. You just found a shortcut. Dude, we can't take them new guys to the step up.
Are they behind us?
Yeah, I'm sure they are. Go the other way. Go to the right.
No. Trial by fire. Whoa, big fucking rock. So when we get to the bottom, do you want to tell them not to follow us up that other side?
Oh, yeah.
So I'll stop at the bottom. Found a new way to step up.
They want to go that way.
Oh yeah, they could. Do you want to tell them?
I'm in four-wheel drive.
I want to make sure Anthony goes that way.
Well,
I ain't gonna make him go up to the hill.
let's all go that way. Don't even bring anybody up here. Just keep it safe.
Go ahead, lead the way.
Come on.
I'll go up and come back down.
We gotta make a new trail. Stay right there. We'll be right back. We going down the same way? I'll let you know in a second.
Yeah, we'll go down the old way.
Wasn't expecting that.
What's up, big tree?
Right, up the tree.
What?
Up that tree. Get right in tire.
Fucking go that way, dude. Just jump that fucking motherfucker. Fuck these motherfuckers, dude. Fuck these motherfuckers, dude. They all talking
No, I'm definitely gonna get fucking cooked.
No, you gotta go that way. Go straight, dude. If I go right through there, who gives a fuck? Oh, there's a little tree you can knock down. Fuck yeah. Fuck these motherfuckers. Fucking pussies. Fucking faggots. So many fucking gay people out here today.
Man, dude.
Oh, we're recording?
Oh shit, yeah, of course.
Oh shit, we ain't going this way anymore. Uh-oh. I feel a defeat coming on.
Yeah.
Trail's right there.
What?
Where we going? There's only 3 of us.
This way. Oh, ooh. You hear that? You feel that?
No.
Yeah, I think I might have heated the belt up a little bit.
I smell it.
Oh!
I see you. Oh yeah.
Hey, over here.
Oh shit. We're fucked. We're going that way. We're coming out. See if these motherfuckers.
Sorry.
Nah, we're going up the fucking hill once we get out of here. Why are we recording this, dude?
I am.
Okay. Oh yeah, now what are we gonna do? We're gonna go through the truck?
Oh, there's a fucking path right there for sure.
Where's this path come from?
I don't know.
Hey, hold on. Wait for him.
We don't like him. Is that Ed?
This thing's a fucking Cadillac.
That's what I'm saying, dude.
Holy
You
shit.
can't gun it because you're gonna hold on for your life.
My thumb's gonna be ready for snowmobile season, I'll tell you that.
Right?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Are you holding on or what?
No, I'm not. I'm doing fine. I'm just putting with it.
Right, you gun that thing and you gotta hold on.
I'm all set.
Where's
There's
Ed?
a Cadillac. Yeah, the old thumb's gonna be
We
ready
got
for
Ed.
snowmobile.
Ed's over here. We found the trail.
Hey, little buddy over there.
What's this fucking hill, huh?
Yeah, that's a step up right there. I think. Oh, maybe I'm wrong.
Definitely enough to step up. What the hell is that? Oh, man. Nope. It's like
That's the top of the fucking pond. I think. Oh, are they on top of the step up?
they're on top of the step up waiting for us, aren't they? Good picture, huh?
Yeah. Oh shit.
You got me there, bro.
Well, that tree's down.
Hard left. I don't think so, dude. We gotta go that way.
I know.
Oh, I see where you're going. I know where you're going. Never mind. Never mind. Shut the fuck up.
Why are you yelling at me, dude? Ah.
Remember the time we lost the fucking roof?
Oh,
Remember the time we lost the fucking roof?
yeah.
Remember the time we lost the fucking roof? 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 Remember the time we lost the fucking roo
Well, we're gonna go that way.
Okay, well that's just the way we came.
Cool.
You don't want to go up to the step up.
Get by.
He said, cool.
We'll find you.
Want a drink, dude?
Do I?
Cheers.
Thank you, buddy.
Where's Ed?
Right behind Rocket. Eddie!
Turn around and follow them.
Easy over there, dude.
You got plenty of room.